Hi friends, this video shows how to remove memory card from Canon R50 camera. So first I will show you how to insert memory card. Then I will cover how to remove the memory card. First we have to turn off the camera. Make sure that camera is in off state. Then in the back side of the camera we can find the memory card slot. We have to open this cover. Here we can see lock and open. So we have to pull this down, then we can open it. And this is the battery slot, and here in the side we can see the memory card slot. I am going to insert this memory card. This is 32 GB SD card, so we can insert it like this. So the label of this memory card has to come this side. Okay, then we can insert like this, then push, done. Then we can close it, then lock. So this way we can easily insert the memory card. Next I will show you how to remove it. Again, open this cover, just pull, then open it. Then on this memory card we have to push down, then release, then we can remove it. See, so this way we can insert and remove memory card from this Canon R50 camera. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.